Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, hope you're having a good weekend. Checking in on oil and USO. This is the weekly time frame. I'm leaving this downtrend resistance line on the weekly because it was such a key level that is now support, and we are above that level, so just keeping an eye on it for the future for now. But we can draw an uptrend line here on the weekly chart, and making sure, I would like to have it hugging this line here to hit these lows of these red candlesticks, but this little green candlestick can't exclude that, so I do have to drop that trend line down a little bit and make sure that's in there as well. But that's an uptrend line to be keeping an eye on, and the bulls certainly well above it at this point. So we have our new higher low on the weekly at 49.13, and our lower high, or actually our recent high, it's not really a lower high because we did break the lower high pattern already, but the resistance is 52.83, and this past week we got up to 52.34. So certainly within striking distance of continuation to higher highs. We look at the daily time frame and see the recovery that we have had, and after pulling back, technically speaking, this is the psychology of a cup and handle pattern, and it's one of the most misdiagnosed patterns that you'll see out there. But the left side of the cup is resistance, we pull back, the right side of the cup is unable to break the left side, we then consolidate in a healthy manner and form a little handle on this cup and handle, and then see a breakout. And this is something to watch this coming week because this is very healthy consolidation, and we do have a higher low here now, 50.90, and we ended the week up at the high. So if we start this next week breaking 52.31, we have a really good chance of getting over 52.83, and we'll be watching for this follow through after the bulls bought the dip significantly on Friday. We look at the 4-hour time frame for a bit more detail, and we can see a little bit of a lower high pattern that did end up getting a bull break. And these lines were from the daily chart, so they are not pertinent here, but a break of the lower high pattern. Bullish MACD cross is on the verge here, and the bulls do have some momentum heading into this next week. Nice hourly chart, a V-shaped recovery. So we'll be watching oil from a bull perspective this coming week. And on the daily time frame for US oil, or USO I should say, the resistance is 10.55 and 10.65 to break. Our support is 10.28.5 for the higher low that we just established. And you can see that similar cup and handle style shape, and we'll see if that does end up playing out. On the weekly time frame, 100-week moving average resistance has rejected the last 2 attempts at 10.52, so pulling back from that level, but higher low, higher high pattern very much in play on the weekly, and we just need that break of 10.65 to see a new higher high and continuation of this bull move. So that's what we're looking at for oil. 52.83 needs to break for a significant follow-through move, and the hourly chart may need to consolidate a little bit Sunday night before we head into Monday morning, but either way, my mindset is bullish oil, and I'll be watching for any follow-through. A red flag for me to start the week would be a break of 51.27, this little higher low that we established on the way up on Friday. If we break that level on Monday, that will tell me that the bulls have lost a good amount of that momentum. I appreciate you watching, and we will see you over the week.